Hey friends, welcome back. So thanks a lot for all the support you are showing me on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. So as promised, I will be coming. I mean, I have already promised I will be coming with more number of videos every week. So I'm trying to put one video at least a week. So uh, yeah, today I'm back with one more interesting stock, which would help you to make good return over the long time. Okay, so the bank name is already on your screen. Today I'm going to talk about the Bandhan Bank, which is really doing wonderful in terms of every single metrics you talk about. So Bandhan Bank got license in 2015, and it's almost running in 34 states out of 36. And you can see it's a leading. I mean, it is one of the leading private bank. You don't. I mean, it is good to compare with the leading private banks like HDFC, ICICI, and Axis, but since it has got less number of subscribers compared to other three, um, uh, so they are more into helping people to make money rather than making themselves. So uh, and because of which you can see the interest rates for the Bandhan Bank, which is really good. No other private banks would give you almost 6 to 6.5, 6.8% on the fixed deposit, but Bandhan Bank is giving almost 6 to 6.8% interest on the fixed deposit and 4% on the saving accounts. So uh, and the market capital of Bandhan Bank is around 64,000. Within a span of 5 years, they managed to have a market capital of 65,000. That is really good, right? So it's under the radar this year. I mean, 2021 would be a year of Bandhan Bank, which would be competing with other peers uh, in terms of profits, revenue, and etc. So let's begin. So on the board, I mean dashboard, you can see that the total deposit by 2020 is 57,081 crores. You just compare with other because see when you choose a stock, obviously you compare, right? So within a 5 years, it has accumulated almost 57,081 crore as its deposit. That is really good, right? And the net profit for the September stood at 394 crores, and the current market price is 400, which is really a wonderful. I mean, price to enter. Uh, in video, you will understand why the even 400 rupees is the best value to enter. So its market, I will tell you what is its highest price. It's almost 650 before. I mean, pre-corona, but post-corona, it managed to come back to 400. So I won't. I'm not telling you it will once again reach 650. It might reach, or it may not. Even it might reach 1,500. But thing is, 400 is a right price to enter. So let's begin with the net interest quarter to quarter. So you can see that every quarter they are managing to make interest earn almost 2,500 crore plus. So in the September, they made I mean good amount from the interest, that is 3,197 crore. You can see the trend is up. So they are really doing good in terms of net interest they are earning. And you can see provisions. So it is in the downtrend, which indicates that there is really, I mean, the bad loan, or you can say bad asset, is reducing continuously. They are making less provision for the bad debts, right? So this indicates they are doing good in terms of I mean bad debts also. So usually this should be in the downtrend itself. So it is in the downtrend from 849 crore to 394 crore. It is really good number. So next is net profit quarter to quarter. So it has been increased almost 1.5 times, from 549 crores to 920 crores. So that is really good for the bank like Bandhan. 920 crore is the net profit for the quarter September 2020. So the number isn't self-explanatory. That shows a lot of, I mean, good symbols for the Bandhan Bank. And the net non-performing asset. Whenever you go for the bank stock, people usually talk about non-performing asset, which has been already reflected in the above chart. That is provisions. These two can be, I mean, compared. the reducing provision and reducing non-performing asset indicates they are really moving good in terms of bad loans. They are evaluating, analyzing a lot before giving any loan, right? So year by year, quarter by quarter, you can see the ratio has been reducing in the non-performing asset from 1.43 to 1.18 in the September 2020. So in the beginning itself, I told you every single metric is in its best position. Okay. So next is reserve. Within a span of 5 years, you can see it's almost, from 2,239 crores to 13,000. You can consider 14,000. So two sevens are 14, 7 times higher, right? Within a span of 5 years, that is really good. So Bandhan Bank is doing good. It is, really accumulating large amount of money in its reserve, which would be helpful in the future also. And if they keep doing the same, no doubt they can be like HDFC, ICI Bank in the coming years, and even more better than that. Okay, and you can see deposit growth. So this shows how much people are believing in Bandhan Bank. In 5 years, they have crossed more than 6,000 outlets in the country. Okay, and this growing deposit shows they are reaching every single person. Almost trying to reach every person, and they are building trust over the years. So the growth you can see from 12,000 to in 2016 to 2020, they made a growth of 57,081 crores. That is really good number, I believe. Operating profit for the banks, you can see that operating profit is in positive, and that too from 36,482 crores. Really, I must say Bandhan Bank is doing good in every metric you consider. Earning per share year to year growth from 3.4 in 2016 to, you can, anywhere you see there is any downtrend? No, there is continuously uptrend, which shows they are doing good with their schemes. Okay, outreach, the trust they are building with the people, and the parameters they are considering before giving any loan. So I would say the management is really good with Bandhan Bank. So Bandhan Bank, nice to see these metrics. The next is net profit margin. It's almost consistent. At least they are doing good. Okay, and you can see the PE ratio. It is reducing, which indicates that the price and earning per share is in alignment. Though they are not same, but you can see it is reducing, which means the earning per share is increasing. But the price, you can see, you might say the price is also falling, earning per share is also falling. That's why it's reducing. Okay, as I already mentioned you, the price was 650. Okay, and they are back on the track. It's 400. It has reached almost 450, but once again, due to some correction, they are at 400. So this is the right time you can enter. And the last metric which I am talking about is price to book value. Even that is reducing. So when you look at the chart, you will get that every single metric they are in the best position, and the current market price is right. For the first time, I am going to show you the calculation why I am saying 400 is right. So when you look at these, the price that ranged from 340 to 566. So I would say uh, 366 it has already passed. So even 560 is far. So you can see the appreciation of almost 150 rupees from current level. So if you are planning for the Bandhan Bank, I would say with this evaluation you can consider for having a long position and get some good returns. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please do like, share, and comment your views over this. And if you're new, please do subscribe, and you can go and watch all the educational videos and follow me on the LinkedIn. uh, I'm really trying hard to put more videos, and with your reaction, I'm sad. I'm able to understand that you people are really loving it. So keep supporting me. I will be coming with more knowledgeable contents like this. So once again, thank you. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye. Happy New Year.